Have you ever wondered why absence makes the heart grow fonder? Let's take a dive into the fascinating world of reverse psychology, particularly how it can be a game changer in relationships. Reverse psychology, in essence, is a method of persuasion where an individual is influenced to act contrary to what they are suggested to do. It's like a secret weapon, and if used correctly, it can make a girl miss you more than you could imagine. Now let's unveil the first strategy, creating a sense of absence. Sounds simple, right? But it's more than just not being around. It's about creating a space that allows her to miss your presence, your conversations, and your company. Imagine this, you're always at her beck and call, always available for every chat, every call, every hangout. Over time, this constant availability can lose its charm. It's not because you're not interesting, but because there's no room for her to miss you, to wonder about you, to yearn for your company. So how do you create this captivating absence? By taking a break from constant communication. This doesn't mean you completely disappear from her life, but rather you give her a chance to notice your absence. You give her mind a chance to wander, to be curious about what you're up to miss your conversations and your presence. But here's the catch, this strategy should be handled with care. It's not about making her feel ignored or neglected, but about making her realize your value. It's about showing her that you're not just an option, but a choice that she would willingly make. Just as the sun is more appreciated after a long spell of rain, your presence will be more valued after a period of absence. So remember, it's not about playing games or being distant, it's about striking a balance between being present and creating an intriguing absence. Remember, it's not about making her feel ignored, but about making her realize your value. Predictability is the enemy of fascination. Want to know why? Well, let's dive into it. Unpredictability. It's the spice of life, the fuel that ignites curiosity, and the secret to making anyone miss you. It's human nature to be drawn to mysteries, to be captivated by the unknown. When you're predictable, you become a solved puzzle, a book already read. But when you're unpredictable, you're a gripping novel that one can't put down, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. Being unpredictable keeps things exciting. It adds an element of anticipation, and it naturally draws people in. It makes you a person of interest, someone who is always on their mind. It keeps them guessing, wondering what you'll do next, where you'll go, who you'll be. Unpredictability creates a magnetic pull, an irresistible curiosity that keeps them coming back for more, so keep them guessing and keep them missing. Who said you need to rely on someone else for your happiness? Independence is more than a state of mind. It's a lifestyle, a choice that shows you're self-reliant and capable. And guess what? It's attractive, incredibly so. It's like a moth to a flame, a magnetic pull that draws people in. Why, you ask? Because it shows you're a whole person, complete on your own. You don't need someone else to feel fulfilled or content. It's this quality that can make a girl miss you, make her yearn for your company. When you demonstrate that you can thrive without her, it sends a clear message. You're an option in your life, not a necessity. This realization can trigger a psychological response associated with motivation and reward. It's a paradox, really. The less you need her, the more she wants you. Independence is attractive, and it can make her long for your company. Do you know the best way to make someone miss you? Make them feel appreciated. It's a simple yet powerful concept. When you show sincere appreciation for a person, they feel seen, valued, and special. This feeling creates a strong emotional connection, a bond that remains even when you're not physically present. So let's talk about how to make her feel appreciated. Firstly, be genuine. Compliment her for her unique qualities, not just her looks. Value her thoughts, dreams, and ideas. Show interest in her world and make her feel that she is truly special to you. Secondly, cherish the moments you spend together. Make each encounter memorable, creating a reservoir of shared experiences and happy memories. This way, even when you're not around, she'll fondly remember the times you've spent together. Remember, the more she values the time spent with you, the more she'll miss you when you're apart.